Welcome to English ADA, an initiative of Dream Signature Training Academy Private Limited. Today I am going to give some tips to those who want to learn spoken English easily. 1. Start with the basics. Learn and practice the basic vocabulary, grammar rules, and sentence structures of English. This will help you build a strong foundation for your spoken English. 2. Listen to native speakers. Listen to native English speakers as much as possible. This will help you get used to the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. 3. Speak as much as possible. Practice speaking English every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. This will help you gain confidence and fluency in the language. 4. Record yourself. Record yourself speaking English and listen to the recordings. This will help you identify areas where you need to improve, such as pronunciation or grammar. 5. Find a conversation partner. Find a conversation partner who is also learning English or a native speaker who can help you practice. You can join language exchange groups or find a tutor online. 6. Watch English videos and movies. Watch English videos, movies, and TV shows with subtitles. This will help you improve your listening skills and vocabulary. 7. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, and it's important to learn from them. With time and effort, you can improve your spoken English and communicate effectively in a variety of situations. Thank you.